Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SJCAM Flagship SJ11 Active Action Camera. The Sony sensor has a 4K 30 FPS high-quality resolution, making the picture quality more detailed and realistic. 2.33 high-definition touch main screen, realistic colors, easy to operate. With a 1.3 secondary screen, you can avoid poor composition because of blind shots when taking selfies. The SJCAM SJ11 Active Action Camera has a live streaming feature, turning the camera into a personal broadcasting platform. With a quick tap, you can connect the camera to other devices or social media, enabling instant live streaming. 5 meters waterproof without case. You can enjoy shooting the wonderful moments of surfing, snorkeling, water parks, and other water sports. Wearing a special camera waterproof case, you can work underwater for multi-scene video recording. The tough housing can withstand the pressure of 30 meters of water, allowing deep water creation to continue. Larger angle, wider perspective. Take a larger angle picture than you can imagine, and include as much as possible of what you can see. Number 2. Kaysunlink H88-1080P Action Camera. Simple design with a button in the middle, you can easily start recording with pressing the button. Indicator light makes sure that you won't miss any moment. Our body-worn camera is suited for both beginners and professionals. The size of our 1080p body camera is 64.5 by 28 by 20 millimeters. Our package brings with magnet pendant, safety cord, portable back clip. You can hang on your body and easily mount it at anywhere for recording. With its magnetic design and sets of handy accessories, this action body camera can get more creative and film angles than other cameras. You can attach the camera with a magnet pendant, then hanging around the neck with safety cord to get dual protection. The portable back clip has 360-degree adjustable rotation. You can easily change the angle. Free your hands and complete the video. By using our thumb-size body camera, it can help you watch your baby, pet, elderly parent, roommate, babysitter, partner, caregiver. And it can be put at office, home, bedroom, kitchen, living room, or anywhere. Number 3. SJCAM SJ20 Action Camera. With a built-in battery, external battery, and the rechargeable camera grip, SJ20 dual lens provides us with the ability to shoot for up to 8 hours without recharging, keeping them away from anxiety. Giving an extra 1.3 screen at the front, the SJ20 dual lens allows you to monitor your framing and composition on the spot or capture the perfect shot in dynamic and fast-paced environments. Whether engaged in adventure sports, vlogging, or capturing unique perspectives, it empowers users with increased control, versatility, and an overall more immersive and efficient shooting experience. With a customized protective frame, you can take the SJ20 dual lens with you for a swim to 16 feet of depth. And dive even deeper as 130 feet with the SJCAM waterproof case to explore the exciting underwater world. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Camera. With consistent hardware features and expanded accessory ecosystems, the GoPro Hero 13 Black captures up to 5.3K 60 video and 27MP photos on your next adventure with the improved Enduro battery and the option to add HB series lens mods. The 1/1.9 image sensor can capture 27MP raw still photos as well as 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 video with ease. Hypersmooth 6.0 digital image stabilization with auto boost ensures your footage remains high quality while reducing image cropping. The Hero 13 includes a new 1900 mAh Enduro battery for longer runtimes in all weather conditions, as well as additional power accessories not previously available. Hero 13 Black is the camera for every creator. In addition to best-in-class 5.3K 60 video and legendary GoPro durability, it's compatible with new HB series lenses. Point 1. These lenses expand your capture capabilities for the most immersive POV shots, the ability to focus closer than ever, easy to achieve motion blur using neutral density filters and cinematic anamorphic footage. A new more powerful Enduro battery extends recording time in all weather conditions, while an updated mounting system gives Hero 13 Black more mounting flexibility than any GoPro before it. With essential GoPro features including award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 video stabilization, automatic highlight videos, and the ability to auto-upload your footage to the cloud, 2 Hero 13 Black is a powerful combination of leading-edge tech and endless creative possibilities. Number 5. SJCAM C300 Pocket Action Camera. The C300 Action Camera adopts a dual battery design. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with the C300 Action Camera's impressive long battery life, and can be used continuously for up to 420 minutes after a full charge. Capture all your adventures without worrying about running out of battery. Capture every detail in crystal-clear 4K HD resolution and delicate 20MP image quality. The C300 Action Cam ensures your videos and photos are of the highest quality, perfect for reliving your most exciting moments with vivid clarity. Equipped with an IP68 waterproof housing, whether you're diving, biking, or skiing, this camera's housing is designed to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring you don't miss any great moments. Ideal for sports enthusiasts who need reliable camera performance. The C300 Action Camera is equipped with 2.0 stabilization and noise reduction functions. Whether used for intense outdoor sports shooting or daily recording, it can effectively reduce image shake and provide more stable and clear shooting effects. It also can effectively identify human voices and reduce background noise, improve sound quality in various scenarios, and enhance the user's audio or video experience. Enjoy lightning-fast file transfers with the advanced 5G connectivity. Share your high-resolution videos and photos quickly and effortlessly, ensuring you can instantly upload your adventures to social media or your preferred storage. 8x zoom. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or detailed close-ups, this waterproof camera all shoots from different distances, firmly locking onto the protagonist.